Hello everyone. In the previous video, we have seen how you can prepare quiz and do online assessment with the help of Google Forms. In that particular video, I have received lots of comments regarding how you can prepare and send certificates in the Google Form. First, why this certification is important. Receiving certificate after successfully completing exam gives students feeling of satisfaction and it also motivates them to do more better. So let's see how you can prepare and send certificates in the Google form. First, sign into your Gmail account. Then in the Gmail, on the top right corner, click on the Google Apps. After clicking on the Google Apps, go to the Google Drive. In the Google Drive, select particular quiz for which you want to prepare and send certificate. Say for example, I want to prepare and send certificate for the quiz on acid base balance. So just double click on that particular Google form. So after double clicking on it, that particular Google form will be opened in the new window. Now to prepare and send certificate in the Google form, you have to add one add-on in the Google form. To add that add-on, click on this three dots given on the top right corner of the Google form. So after clicking on these three dots, multiple options will be open. In that, go to the second last option, that is add-ons. After clicking on the add-ons, G Suite Marketplace will be open. In the G Suite Marketplace, scroll down to the Certify-M. Certify-M is the add-on by which you can prepare and send certificate in the Google form. So just click on the Certify-M, install it, and give all the necessary permission required for its installation. And select the particular Gmail address for which you want to add this add-on. Once you are done with the selection of email address, then click on the allow. Once installation is complete, then click on the done button. Once installation is complete, then you can close this G Suite Marketplace. Now, this is how you have to install this add-on. Now, all the add-ons which you are installing in the Google form, you will be able to find this add-on in the add-on section which is given on the extreme top left corner. So this is the add-on section. Over here you will be able to find all the add-ons which you have installed for the Google form. So just click on the add-ons and click on the Certify-M. After clicking on the Certify-M, go to the Show Certify-M controls. After clicking on the Show Certify-M controls, new window will be opened on the extreme right side of the screen. So this new window will be opened. In that, first certification status is there. So right now certification status for this particular quiz is off. So turn on the certification status. Once the certification status is turned on for that particular quiz, just below to the status, certificate records are there. In the certificate records, you can find certificate records for that particular quiz. And just below to the certificate records, passing criteria is there. The passing criteria you can select depending on your requirement. Say for example, I am selecting 50% passing criteria for this particular quiz. And just below to the passing criteria, certificate template option is there. So just click on the preview all. So all the certificate templates will be open. You can select any one of it depending on your choice. Fine, so these are the multiple certificate templates. I'm selecting Smiley Report and just near to the preview all, there is a email me sample option is also there. So you can send this certificate template to your email address. And just below to the certificate template, daily certificate quota option is there. Over here, certificate quota is given, and this certificate quota is provided by Gmail. My daily certificate quota is right now it is 92 emails, and just below to the certificate quota, advanced option is there. So just click on the advanced option. So Certify-M advanced options will be opened. So in that you can write down the customized message. Say for example, I am writing congratulations over here. Congratulations. So it will be shown upon submission. And just below to that, you can also write down the name of the sender. I'm writing my name, that is Dr. Amit Maheshwari. You can also write down the subject of email. And just below to the email option, there is a certificate option is also there. If you want to send the certificate as a PDF, then select the PDF. And if you want to send this certificate as an image, then select the image. And just below the send as option, there is a share via option. If you want to share this certificate via Google Drive, then select the Google Drive. And if you want to share this certificate via email, then select the email. After doing the necessary changes, save changes. And once you are done with all the changes in the CertifyM add-on, just close this window. Now, first send this particular quiz to student. Say for example, I am sending this particular quiz to myself. So just go to the send and write down the email address over here. I'm writing my email address and just click on the send. Just let's go to the inbox of my email address. So this is quiz which I have received in my inbox. So let's fill out the form. First, write down the email address. Make sure you are writing the correct email address. If you are writing wrong email address, then you will not receive certificate on that particular email. That is biochemistry basic at the rate gmail.com. Let's fill out the form. So I'm giving the answer of this particular quiz. Once you are done with it, submit it and view the score. So these are my score for this particular quiz on acid-base balance, and let's go to the inbox of my email address where I will receive the certificate for this particular quiz. So this is the certificate which I have received for this particular quiz. So just click on it, download it. So this is the certificate which I have received for the successfully completing this quiz on acid base balance. So this is how this certificate look like. So this is all about how you can send and prepare certificate in the Google Forms. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe Biochemistry Basics by Dr. Amit, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you can get all the notifications from it. Thank you.